Hello friends, today I'll show you how to check if someone is spying on your iPhone. For this, you don't need to go to your browser. There's something on iPhone. Here I have an orange dot in the top right. Dot. See it? It shouldn't be there during normal iPhone use. See? It shouldn't normally be there. This means someone is either watching your screen or listening to you. Second, check if anyone is listening to your calls. To do this, go to your phone and dial this code. Press call. Now check if everything is turned off here. If something is enabled, it likely means something is being monitored. Next, go to Settings and disable all forwarding options. Text message forwarding, call forwarding, podcast forwarding. Turn all of these off. Next, check if you can update your phone. This can help prevent someone from tracking you. Newer software has better protection against surveillance. Next, check your battery usage. In battery settings, you can see which apps are draining your battery. If there are apps using battery that shouldn't be active, they might be tracking you. That's all for now. Subscribe to the channel. Bye everyone.